They have really nice picnic tables. I'm wondering if this is a fairly new state park. And of course they have the covers. And my fire pit's out here on a overhang kind of thing that they made. Put my chair out there in the evenings. And look at that view. Let's go down there and check out those ovens. Ain't this beautiful? Alright, I'm gonna check out these ovens. I think they're the kind I've seen at Death Valley before too. So, we'll see. I got another camera and a tripod and pretty cool looking. See you in a minute. That's pretty cool. Just basic, simple, empty. They should let us camp in there. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Not much to see, not much time to spend here. Take a couple pictures and head back to camp. Well, it is time for me to leave Willow Creek Campground at Ward Charcoal Ovens State Park. And another nice one. They do a great job at their parks. Really impressed with it. Glad to see that. And so I'm going to head out again tomorrow morning, kind of early tomorrow, and pick up a few supplies and hit the next one. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Hope it's enjoyable to you. Thank you again. Have a good day. I am.